guys, it's me, Issaplease, and today I am joined by my idiot boyfriend and friend, Paolo and Eduardo, who still choose to remain faceless on this vlog. And today we are going to be trying out this Style Me Up nautical jewelry maker, which I got at the department store and I wanted to try out. So this game is a game for 8-year-old girls, and I just want to see if my boyfriend and our friend Eduardo, who are by the way 30 years old, are capable of making
Ayo! Wala, wala.
I wanted to see if two 30-year-old guys and a 27-year-old are capable of making... The master is talking. I'm a fashion vlogger and this is the most I'm gonna get out of making anything fashion related. So today let's see if these two boys know how to make jewelry. And I will of course be helping them, so why don't you go ahead and open it. Okay, so if you guys are wondering, it is a Style Me Up jewelry making box and we're gonna be making nautical jewelry. It comes with an instructional kit and basically we're going to be making jewelry for kids. On a scale of 1 to 10, Pao, how well are you at making jewelry? How good are you? Ikaw, Ann?
Ako, ikuha ko dito sa Unisilver before.
So, Eduardo gets bracelet number 1, Paolo gets bracelet number 2, and I get bracelet number 3. Okay.
Kuwang mo is?
Mama, kuwang ito.
Ito kuwang. Di mo siya ni mao nga blue?
Ay.
Bantog ra.
And you already cut it!
Wala may lain.
Oh, that's fine.
Puli lang sila, kanila yan. Sayot nga blue.
I'm so confused. Make the knot with the longer part.
35 cm siya.
Nasayop na ko din, nagkigo. Di mo ni pang 8-year-old good. Para rin mga bata.
Unya, bata man ka.
Batan-on, lahat ng bata.
This is so freaking hard!
Nawa! Hindi mo pa ko ingnan.
Here.
Wow!
Lo!
Sayo naman ang nata.
Sayo naman.
Awa ako, may lisod kayo. Kaya tulo ka buko.
Nagkalisod man. Sugod man si Ed sa pinakasayon.
Bantog na.
Uy, lusod na, uy.
Have you ever tried to make jewelry before?
Kamay.
What do you mean gamay?
Did you make for a girlfriend? Asa kung himo.
Pagkabata ni mo ka ng Valentine's Day.
Sama niyo eh?
And then you made them jewelry. You can do that for me, sweetheart.
Oh,
Start
shit,
making me
nasayop ko.
jewelry.
Nasayop na ko.
Da. Baan.
It's really hard because it's just pictures.
Okay.
And it says, following the illustrations. I could really use more
Sayop na ko, ana, taday mo.
instructions. Oh, it's so hard. It's so hard. Here's the thing. I finally got my pliers.
Is, magkuwang mo niya ako. Di mo ni masod.
Sayop lang.
Well, maigo na siya sa kuang.
8-year-old, manggod. Pag 8-year-old man eh. Di mo ka 8.
Alam ko.
More or less, okay na na.
Okay, finish it.
Hapit naman na. Taka mo na sila. 3 cm, 30 cm daw.
35.
Ugo mo niya eh. 30 cm. Heta, unsa mo na mo i-times 2 doon ng 30 daw? Oh, times 2 na. Murag 1 inch halos. Tsaka mo na niyo pa. Si sobra na ganyan. Ay, gitatay 12 inches din na day. Di mo 30 cm, 12 inches mo na.
Did you not read the instructions?
Wala.
Because I'm not. That's what happens.
Di man siya ka... Mas taas ni siya.
Yeah.
Pwede ka niya pagamito.
Captain? Oh.
Shit!
There's a reason why.
Hindi. Natatong isave. Tanaw-tani. Hindi na masave. Hatay, eh. Hindi na masave.
So if you were an 8-year-old girl,
Hindi ko sulob ba niya eh. Bakit yun eh.
ikaw, Ed, gusto naman ka nila.
Apit-apit na ako.
Sa'yo na kayo mo lang yun.
Pero sayop lang ako diri.
Sa'yo? Lisod niya ko. Awa ko na. Stupid bro. Stupid na. Let's redeem ourselves. Tama ka. Madama na siya. Bakba lang. Masayon mabakba kaysa imo pangayanion.
Dili ko. Ako'y pambayad og dentist.
Sa mga bata gustong buhatan na yun. Kako yun eh. Kani siya okay. Well prepared gani.
Yeah, I don't think 8-year-olds can use this with those techniques that you guys are using. This is all I was able to make. I don't even think that the loops are right. It's just too hard, guys. It's too hard. So, that's my attempt at being a fashion girl.
Anak ko. Sorry. Soda, oy, nabuang mo ning gahimo kisa may bata ka ba ani? Stupid. Himo na makagimo. Wala naman na sa ilain sa end. Circle naman. Eh, dili lagi.
Hindi, ganahan ko yan na siya. Kaya ako lang, ang ganahan mabuhat kay pininanin na lang ako. Kasola naman na.
Hindi mo nga butlon ang tao. Hindi mo nga unta butlon.
Sa'yo ko naman.
Apo yan, paala na. Yun na, that's it. So that's how you do it, folks.
Can you at least show them what you made?
Naman na mo na eh. Di ba na, uy, patuyokon ko niya nga. Buang, mo na, makuyap. Wag gina, dool.
Asa ni mo gipakita sa microphone?
Hindi kita na ko nimo.
Ah, microphone. Hindi
Nihana ka sa microphone.
paklaro yan. Paano ka?
Ay, kuha na ko tanan pwede ma-design na doon.
Here's the photo. Here is what it's supposed to look like. And here's Eduardo's. What like any bula-bula, Ed?
Because I'm a guy. I don't like balls.
Pretty decent.
Oh.
Believable. Here's the photo.
Sa kuyab ni mo.
View. Here's Paolo's first attempt.
No, wait.
And here's what it looks like. Ouch. Here. Honestly, it's not bad. Especially
It's
this
awful.
part. This one is pretty decent. Look at that. That's pretty decent. Considering like I don't even think I could do that. But asa man kana sayo pa ni Pao? Well, for one, he used the wrong color.
Ang length na siya.
He used the wrong color. It specifically said to use the royal blue one. I mean the royal blue one, and he used the navy blue one. So that's what.
Whatever, royal blue, navy blue looks the same.
In the
both
picture,
blue.
it's obviously different.
They're both blue. You're colorblind.
You're colorblind. Here
Yan.
is my bracelet, and here's what it looks like. Ta-da! The best trick I've ever seen in my entire life. Alright, anyway, so I'm really out of like memory right now. It's a long video because it's so freaking hard to do. Eduardo's at the back trying to figure out his life and what else he wants to do. Why do I have thread on my mouth? Would I play Style Me Up, nautical jewelry making again? Probably not unless I wanted to shoot something or myself. And yeah, I don't really think it's meant for 8-year-olds, so I'm challenging all you 8-year-olds to prove yourself that you can do it because the adults cannot. See you guys later, bye!